loses consciousness during a match. The match between Rams and Lille, part of the first day of the season, was interrupted on Saturday after Angel Gomes lost consciousness following a hit to the head. The game between Rams and Lille took a dramatic turn when Lille midfielder Angel Gomes suffered a serious injury that shocked everyone watching. During the 11th minute, the 23-year-old English player collapsed on the pitch after a violent head-to-head collision with Rams midfielder Amadou Mvomonana. The impact was so severe that Gomes lost consciousness on the spot. Players from both teams immediately rushed to his side, clearly concerned for their fellow player. It was a tense and emotional moment as paramedics treated Gomes on the pitch for around 20 minutes. The scene was heart-wrenching, with everyone hoping for the best. Finally, Gomes was evacuated on a stretcher by firefighters, leaving the pitch to the cheers and support of the crowd at the Auguste Delon Stadium. Lille later confirmed on their social media that Angel Gomes had regained consciousness and was transferred to the hospital for further evaluation. It was a massive relief to hear that he was awake and receiving the care he needed. As for the match itself, it resumed after a 34-minute interruption, but the focus had clearly shifted. Amadou Mvomonana, involved in the collision, was sent off by the referee Eric Watelier, with the score still at 0-0. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the risks that come with playing sports at such a high level, and it's a moment that won't be forgotten by those who witnessed it. Thankfully, Gomes is on the road to recovery, and we wish him all the best as he recovers from this frightening injury.